Hello traders, let's dive deeper into the world of Forex trading. In our previous video, we defined Forex. Now let's define Forex trading. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying of one currency and selling another. It's similar to ancient barter trade, where goods were exchanged for goods. Here, we exchange one currency for another. These currencies are traded through a Forex broker or contracts for difference CDF provider and are traded in pairs. When we say traded in pairs, we mean the currency you're buying and the currency you're selling in return. For example, buying a British pound and selling Japanese yen. Let's take the euro and USD as a currency pair. Imagine them in a constant tug of war, each one on its side of the rope. The stronger one gains value over the other, causing one to lose value while the other one gains. This fluctuation in value is what we call the exchange rate, which is the relative price of the two currencies. Now let's talk about three categories of currency pairs. We have the majors. This always include the US dollar. Then we are number two, the crosses. These do not contain the US dollar. Crosses that involve any pair of the major currencies are known as minors, most of which are drawn from euro, Japanese yen, and British pound. And number three, the exotics. This consists of one major currency and one currency from the emerging market. The exotic pairs tend to have a lower liquidity and are far more sensitive to economic and geopolitical events. While there are 8 major currencies, namely US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and New Zealand, there are 7 major currency pairs, all of which contain USD on one side and are frequently traded, most liquid in the world. These pairs are Euro dollar, dollar yen, pound dollar, dollar Swiss, dollar loonie, Aussie dollar, and Kiwi dollar. Aside from the three main categories of currency pairs, there are other groups of currencies that are thrown around in the Forex world that you should be aware of. The G10 currencies are the 10 of the most heavily traded currencies in the world, which are also 10 of the world's most liquid currencies. Now, let's summarize what we have learned in a series of questions. What is a currency pair in Forex? What are the major currency pairs? What are the currency crosses? And how many currency pairs exist?